Now if you're wondering why this view of the weld process is so clear, we've got a special lens for this. Very special. Perhaps you've heard of the cobalt blue lens. The cobalt blue lens is a terrible lens to use. It not only causes eye strain by giving you a very poor view of the weld pool, but it doesn't have any ultraviolet protection, so you can burn your retinas. And I've talked to several old-time welders who've had detached retinas, they've had glaucoma, all kinds of eye problems, so we really can't recommend that cobalt blue lens. The standard lens, if you'll notice, you can't knock down that orange flame with. So I spent 10 years and developed the TM2000, which is the lens we're using now. And it's really an exceptional piece of work.